legend returns, and it returns bigger, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-1300X isn't just another sport bike on the market. It is the continuation of an icon that has defined what speed, power, and dominance feel like on two wheels for more than 2 decades. When you hear the name Hayabusa, it immediately conjures images of extreme performance, aerodynamic mastery, and a reputation that commands respect not just in the motorcycle community, but across the entire world of motorsport. For 2026, Suzuki has refined this masterpiece yet again, preserving its core identity while infusing it with modern engineering, rider-focused electronics, and the type of power delivery that only a Hayabusa can provide. Standing in front of the 2026 Hayabusa, you instantly recognize its DNA. That unmistakable long and low silhouette is still there, sculpted by the wind tunnel and perfected by engineers who understand that top-end stability isn't just about brute force, it's about aerodynamics and balance. The front end looks aggressive and purposeful, with sharper LED headlights that not only pierce the darkness but also give the bike an unmistakable signature look even during the day. Flowing fairings wrap tightly around the frame and engine, channeling air more efficiently than ever before. The bodywork hugs the wheels and tucks every component into a form that screams speed, even when parked. At the rear, the tail design has been slimmed and sculpted, housing a modern LED taillight setup that completes the bike's streamlined profile. Suzuki has introduced fresh paint schemes for 2026, mixing metallic gloss finishes with subtle matte accents, and each colorway is punctuated by the iconic Hayabusa kanji emblem, a reminder of its Japanese roots and the bird of prey it was named after. At the heart of this beast lies the soul of what makes the Hayabusa so legendary, a massive 340cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine. For 2026, Suzuki engineers have gone over the power plant with an obsessive level of detail, ensuring it remains one of the most exhilarating engines in motorcycling. The internals feature lighter pistons, friction-reducing coatings, and redesigned cam profiles, all optimized to create a smoother torque curve that delivers usable power in every gear. While peak horsepower figures remain blistering, the focus for this generation has been on mid-range thrust, the kind of pull that throws you back in the seat the instant you roll on the throttle at highway speeds. That relentless surge delivered with precision is the Hayabusa's signature move, and this year's machine does it better than ever before. The transmission has been refined for slicker shifts, with the standard quickshifter making clutchless upshifts and downshifts effortless. Every gear change feels crisp, mechanical, and satisfying, ensuring you can keep the engine in its sweet spot whether you're carving corners or blasting down a straightaway. Suzuki has paired this with a slipper clutch and engine braking control that allow aggressive downshifts without unsettling the rear wheel. These small refinements add up to a riding experience that feels smoother, faster, and more controlled than what came before. One of the defining characteristics of the Hayabusa has always been how it balances extreme performance with surprising usability. Yes, this is a hyperbike capable of speeds that can humble even modern superbikes, but it's also a motorcycle you can realistically ride every day. The 2026 model doubles down on that philosophy by integrating Suzuki's most advanced suite of electronics. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System offers a wide range of rider aids, including multiple power delivery modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cornering ABS, all adjustable to suit conditions and riding style. A 6-axis EMU constantly monitors lean angle, acceleration, and braking forces, ensuring that the bike adapts to you in real time. The ride-by-wire throttle system allows precise input, giving you complete confidence whether you're creeping through traffic, leaning hard into a sweeper, or opening it up on a clear stretch of highway. The chassis remains a twin-spar aluminum frame that has been refined to strike a balance between rigidity and flex. It's matched with fully adjustable suspension, 43mm inverted forks up front, and a link-type shock at the rear, both tuned to deliver comfort on long rides while still providing the firmness needed for aggressive cornering. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema calipers biting down on dual front discs, backed by an advanced ABS system that calculates pressure with surgical precision. The Hayabusa's weight is still substantial compared to lighter superbikes, but the way Suzuki has engineered its geometry and aerodynamics makes it feel planted, predictable, and stable at high speeds. Riders who have experienced previous generations will instantly notice the refinement in how the new model handles, particularly in transitions and quick changes of direction. Climb into the saddle, and the cockpit greets you with a blend of tradition and technology. The iconic twin analog dials for speed and RPM remain, a nod to the bike's history, flanking a modern full-color TFT display that provides all the critical data. From ride mode settings and lean angle readouts to gear position, temperature, and fuel range, every detail is clearly laid out and customizable. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to toggle through menus with minimal distraction. The ergonomics remain sporty yet surprisingly forgiving. While you do lean forward into an aggressive stance, the seat is well padded, and the bars and pegs are positioned to allow longer rides without excessive fatigue. It's a position that feels purposeful, letting you tuck in behind the screen when the speeds rise, but not so extreme that it punishes you on city streets. When it comes to real-world riding, the 2026 Hayabusa excels in delivering a smooth and confidence-inspiring experience. The throttle response is immediate but not jerky, allowing you to modulate power easily. In city traffic, the bike's weight and size can feel imposing, but the low-end torque makes it easy to maneuver, and the electronics ensure you're never overwhelmed. Out on the open highway, the Hayabusa feels like it was born for endless asphalt. The wind protection from the fairing and screen is excellent, reducing fatigue and noise at speed. Twist the throttle to pass and you're rewarded with instant, effortless acceleration that borders on addictive. Push further into triple-digit territory and the bike feels rock solid, as if it's glued to the tarmac, reminding you why it earned its reputation as the king of high-speed stability. Fuel capacity remains generous, giving you respectable range for longer trips, though as with any high-performance machine, hard riding will take its toll on mileage. The revised fuel injection system and combustion improvements have made the 2026 model slightly more efficient, but let's be clear, nobody buys a Hayabusa for fuel economy. You buy it for the rush, for the feeling of limitless acceleration at your fingertips, for the way it transforms even a mundane highway ride into an event. The Hayabusa's place in the market is unique. Few motorcycles dare to play in the hyperbike category anymore. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R was one of its longest-standing rivals, but with the Hayabusa's latest refinements, Suzuki has solidified its dominance in this space. Compared to pure leader-class superbikes like the BMW S1000RR or Yamaha R1, the Hayabusa is heavier and less track-focused, but it offers an entirely different kind of thrill. Where those bikes demand razor-sharp inputs and thrive in tight circuits, the Hayabusa is built for sweeping highways, long stretches of open road, and the raw sensation of speed that never feels frantic or twitchy. It's less about lap times and more about the experience of commanding sheer, unstoppable force. For riders in the United States, the Hayabusa has always held a special kind of allure. On wide American highways, where the landscape stretches for miles and speed limits often tempt riders to push the envelope, the Hayabusa feels perfectly at home. It is a bike built for distance as much as it is for performance, a machine that can devour states in a single weekend trip and still leave you wanting more. It embodies freedom, rebellion, and precision all at once. Of course, owning a Hayabusa isn't without its responsibilities. This is not a beginner's motorcycle. Its size, weight, and power demand skill and respect from its rider. Maintenance costs are higher than average, with tires, chains, and brakes wearing faster under the strain of its performance. Insurance isn't cheap either, given its reputation. But for those who are ready, for riders who know what they're stepping into, the rewards are unmatched. Few machines on two wheels deliver such a complete package of speed, stability, and presence. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-1300X isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It tells the world you value performance above compromise, that you embrace the legacy of one of the most famous names in motorcycling, and that you are prepared to command a machine that has humbled riders and competitors for generations. Every twist of the throttle is a reminder of what makes motorcycling addictive: the rush, the freedom, the bond between human and machine. With this latest generation, Suzuki hasn't reinvented the Hayabusa, they've perfected it for a new era. If you have ever dreamed of owning a motorcycle that combines raw speed with everyday usability, that blends heritage with cutting-edge technology, and that has the ability to transform every ride into an unforgettable experience, the 2026 Hayabusa GSX-1300X is waiting. It is more than just transport. It is more than just performance. It is the embodiment of Suzuki's relentless pursuit of excellence, wrapped in a package that looks as stunning as it rides. The king is back, and once again it rules the road.